Introduce highlight features or overview summary of VESON-LON Cordless Portable Pressure Washer Kit. There are features include: powerful cleaning power. The cordless high-pressure cleaner is equipped with a high-performance 3820 brushless motor with a power of 300 watt. The maximum pressure of the high-pressure cleaner is 25 bar, and the spraying speed is 4.1 liter per minute. It has 3 gear switches. The first gear is 15 bar water pressure, the second gear is 20 bar water pressure, and the third gear is 25 bar water pressure, which can provide sufficient power for outdoor cleaning. Enjoy the convenience of operating anywhere. 5-in-1 nozzle. This high-pressure washer is equipped with a multi-function nozzle. You can easily switch different water modes by rotating the nozzle, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, fan spray, shower mode to meet your various needs. In addition, the cordless high-pressure washer is also equipped with a foam tank. You can add detergent, and it will produce dense foam. This versatility ensures that you can handle a variety of cleaning jobs precisely. High-capacity battery. The VESON-LON Cordless Power Washer features 2 powerful 18-volt, 3.0 amp-hour battery, delivering up to 40 to 80 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. Tackle tough tasks with consistent, reliable performance wherever you need it. Easy to take water. The cordless high-pressure washer is equipped with a 197-inch hose and a filter basket. It can effectively filter out impurities and particles in the water, providing better protection for the cordless high-pressure washer, so you don't have to worry about pipe clogging. At the same time, we are equipped with a connector, so you can easily get water from rivers, lakes, or drinking bottles even without a faucet. Even in winter or outdoors, you can easily get water. Lightweight and easy installation. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, our portable handheld pressure washer is designed for easy transport. It comes with clear instructions for simple setup and quick connect ports. The included waterproof storage box ensures easy carrying and safe equipment storage, making it perfect for on-the-go use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.